Yes, welcome back children. So we stopped the previous video with the second question of your answer the following. We can enter into the third question. Yes, have you all completed your CW up to second question? We can enter into third question now. The third question is, how useful is a function with return values? Substitute with an example. So when the return statement is used, a function can return a value once the function has been executed. The return statement will stop the execution of the function. Then the statement sends the value from where it has been called. Refer to the example given below that returns the integer value. Yes, children? So this is the return statement for what it has been used, the usage of the return statement. Okay, when the return statement is used, a function can return a value once the function has been executed. The return statement will stop the execution of the function and then sends the value from where it has been called. So from to the main function, it returns some value. Example program. See, in the area of the rectangle, we are returning the area by calculating length into breadth, and we are returning it to the line where it has been executed. That is here, area rect 4520. Here we are returning back. So the value will be stored in this area, and here it has been printed. So this is the answer with example for your return value. Third question answer. Can write it. It is also in the book. Seeing the book also, you can write the answer for this return statement. Okay, function with return statement fully you want to write it. Completed children? We can go to the next question. Pass the video and complete it either by seeing the video or can write it using the book also. Yes, we can go to the next one. The next one is, what array would be ideal for storing the name and mark of all the students in the class? Multi-dimensional array would be ideal for storing name and mark of all the students. So the answer for the fourth question, what array would be ideal for storing the name and mark of all the students in a class? Multi-dimensional array would be ideal for storing name and mark of all the students. Fifth question, define superglobals with an example. So this is the superglobals, predefined variables that can be used without any need for creation. They are a collection of variables that can be accessed anywhere in the code. Example, cookie. This contains cookie data sent back to the server from the client. Okay, so define superglobals with an example. The answer is predefined variables that can be used without any need for creation. They are a collection of variables that can be accessed anywhere in the code. For example, cookie. This contains cookie data sent back to the server from the client. Yes, children, have you all completed this? Answer the following is over. Only 5 questions are there. Please write it in your CW note. Yes, we can go to the project time programs. Yes, we are having project time. Write a program to find the area of a triangle and circle using function statements. Let me go for this. Yes. So before going to the program, what is the first step for entering into the PHP? Yes. Yes. Yes, children. You want to check with exam control panel whether we started the Apache and MySQL server. We started the Apache and MySQL server, isn't it? Then the next one, go to Notepad++. Yes. So first step to check the Apache and MySQL is started. Then you want to go to the Notepad++. Open a new program. I am going to type here. Yes. For what is the question? To find the area of a circle and a triangle. It's the project time question given in your book using functions. You want to find the area of a circle and a triangle. Let us write it now. Yes. So we can start our PHP program. Yes. So symbol, question mark, PHP, we start off. So first we will write the function area triangle. Okay. So we can have variable is equal to, we can assign it here itself. Yes. So variable declaration, it should be like this. So variable 2 and this can be variable 1 is equal to 20 or 30. Yes. This can be 20. We can close this. This is the function. We are going to write the function here. So we are going to write function here. Yes. So in this function we are going to calculate the area of a triangle. The formula for area of the triangle is area is equal to 0.5 into variable 1 into variable 2. This is the formula for finding the area of a triangle. Print area. Yes, we are going to close this function. Afterwards, area of a circle, triangle, area of a circle you want to find. For that, you want to write a separate function, area circle. And here, what is the parameter to be passed? Radius is equal to some 15 we can have. Okay. RAD, radius is equal to 15 we can have. Yes, we can open the function. What is the formula for area of a circle? Area is equal to pi r square, right? Pi means 3.14. Area of a circle, pi r square. Pi is 3.14. Radius into radius. Yes. And we are going to print area. We are closing this. Yes. Now we are going to call this function in the main program. Before calling, we can print area of a triangle. Yes, area triangle. Then print area of a circle. Area of a circle. Close this. We are going to call the function for calculating circle area. Close. We are going to close this. So this is the program where two functions for area of a triangle and area of a circle is being defined, and it is called in the main function. I have already saved this PHP program as area TC. Where you want to save? We want to save in C drive, exam folder, htdocs student and any name.php. You want to save using .php. Got it? Yes. Now we can open any browser. Okay. Now we can open any browser. Yes. HTTP localhost student. What is the program name? Area tc.php. See, the answer is area of a triangle and area of a circle. It is being there. Isn't it, children? Yes. So this is the program for area of a triangle and area of a circle. Can you all complete this? Yes. Yes, children. So this is the program which I saw shown you on the notepad for writing a program to find the area of a triangle and circle using function statements. Okay. So function area of a triangle is given, area of a circle is given. Either you can see here and write, otherwise in notepad itself it is visible correctly, right? So this is area of a triangle, this is area of a circle. Yes, this is calculation of a triangle, printing, calculation of a circle, printing, and area of a triangle. Yes, children, can all have written this? Yes, this is the program to find the area of a triangle and circle using your function statements. Yes, I think you all are clear with the concept of functions, right, children? Yes, I think all are clear with the concept of your functions. The next one is apply IT. Apply IT is write a program to store marks of 3 students in 3 subjects using associative array concept. This you can write it by yourself. I am not going to show you. Write it by yourself and give it for me. I will say you whether the program is correct or not. Yes, children. The program in Apply IT, you want to write it by yourself. Programmers write a program to store marks of 3 students in 3 subjects using associative array concept. This you want to write it by yourself. Yes? Have you all clear with this? So with this, our portions for term 1 is completed. Only 4 lessons are there for your term 1 examination. So about the introduction of PHP, data types, operators. Yes, everything you want to learn up to functions. So up to this, the portions for your term 1 examination. So be clear with the concepts. If you are having any doubt in the concepts, you can ask me anytime. Okay, children, please read carefully. If you are understanding the concept only, we can write the MCQs easily. I can ask questions from anywhere in the lesson. Don't be stick on to your book exercises alone, book back exercises alone. Don't stick it on to the same thing. Not alone that, I'll ask it from anywhere in the book lessons. Okay, in the 4 lessons, anywhere I'll ask, either in activities or either inside book, I will ask you any questions in MCQ. Not the book back, fill in the blanks and choose alone, I'll ask. Okay, children, so be ready for it. A program will also be there for 5 marks. So you want to write it and send it to me using PDF. So be clear, only small program that is very easy for you in either or choice or anything I'll ask you. Okay, so be clear with the concept to write the program for yourself. You want to write the program by yourself. Got it? Yes. So children, learn well. Get ready for your term 1 examination. With this, our portions are completed. If you are having any doubts, you can ask me. Yes, thank you. If you are having any doubts in all the 4 lessons, we'll see it in the doubt clearing session. Yes, thank you, children.